Throughout history, Muslim scientists have made groundbreaking contributions that shaped the course of science and knowledge. From the Golden Age of Islam, which spanned from the 8th to the 14th century, Muslim scholars played an essential role in preserving, enhancing, and spreading knowledge across the world. Their achievements laid the foundation for modern science in various fields, including mathematics, astronomy, medicine, chemistry, and physics. One of the earliest pioneers was al-Khwarizmi, a Persian mathematician whose work on algebra revolutionized the field. The word algebra itself derives from his famous book Al-Kitab al-Mukhtasar fi Hisab al-Jab wal-Muqabala. Al-Khwarizmi's work not only introduced algebra but also influenced later developments in algorithms and computer science. His contributions were crucial in bridging the gap between ancient Greek mathematics and the later European Renaissance. In astronomy, the legendary astronomer al-Battani made significant strides in improving the accuracy of astronomical observations. His work on the movement of celestial bodies and the development of trigonometric tables had a lasting impact on both Islamic and European astronomy. Al-Battani's refinement of the length of the solar year and the determination of the position of the sun were instrumental for both navigation and timekeeping during his time and for generations to come. In the field of medicine, one of the most celebrated figures was Avicenna, or Ibn Sina. His monumental work, The Canon of Medicine, was a cornerstone of medical knowledge for centuries. This medical encyclopedia not only compiled the knowledge of Greek and Roman scholars but also added original insights into diseases, anatomy, and pharmacology. His influence extended far beyond the Islamic world and into Europe, where his work was translated and widely studied in medieval universities. Al-Razi, another prominent figure in Islamic medicine, made remarkable advancements in the field of chemistry and medicine. Known in the West as Rhazes, he is credited with pioneering the use of alcohol in medical treatments and discovering sulfuric acid. His books on medicine, such as Kitab al-Hawi, were central to medical education in the Islamic world for centuries and later influenced Western medical practices. Moving into the world of chemistry, Habir ibn Hayyan, known as the father of chemistry, laid the groundwork for modern chemistry with his experiments and innovations in the laboratory. He is credited with introducing many processes, such as distillation, sublimation, and crystallization, that are still used in chemical laboratories today. Habir's experiments on alchemy and his systematic approach to studying the properties of substances were pivotal in the development of modern chemistry. In optics, Ibn al-Haytham, or Alhazen, made significant advancements in understanding light and vision. His Book of Optics corrected centuries of misconceptions about vision and the behavior of light. His pioneering work on the camera obscura and the nature of light laid the groundwork for the modern study of optics and was a precursor to the invention of the camera. Another key figure was al-Zahrawi, known as the father of surgery. His medical treatise, al-Tashrif, was an authoritative text in surgery, providing comprehensive guidance on surgical procedures, including how to use surgical instruments and perform operations. Al-Zahrawi's work in surgery remained a standard reference in Europe for several centuries. Muslim scientists didn't just contribute in theory, they were also hands-on innovators. Al-Jazari, a brilliant engineer, is famous for inventing the first programmable humanoid robot and creating intricate mechanical devices, including automata and water clocks. His book, The Book of Knowledge of Ingenious Mechanical Devices, includes designs for over 50 devices, many of which inspired later developments in engineering. The remarkable contributions of these scholars were not only a product of their intellectual prowess but were also deeply intertwined with the cultural and religious values of the Islamic Golden Age. Islam encouraged the pursuit of knowledge and discovery in all fields, from the sciences to philosophy, and the scholars who lived during this era saw their work as a form of devotion to understanding God's creation. Today, the legacy of Muslim scientists continues to inspire researchers and innovators around the world. Their contributions serve as a reminder that scientific progress is built upon the work of those who came before us, transcending borders, cultures, and time. These pioneers in science, through their dedication to knowledge and discovery, laid the foundation for many of the advancements we take for granted today, and their influence remains woven into the fabric of modern science.